This is butterfly exercise, one of the most powerful exercises for working as a pump for our lymphatic system. In fact, most amazing, yes, butterfly, yes. Lock your arms like this. This is the side view. But sitting straight is very important. Some people slouch. You need to sit like that. And then, yeah. Sitting straight, chest should be out. Yeah. This is butterfly, yes. So we have about 10 flaps, up and down, 10 flaps, yes. Then we have something called as air flaps. That's just nothing but for fun. Yes, air flaps is we go up and then we flap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Every time you do this, make sure your stretchability improves a little bit. See that if you can push your this thing legs, and make sure that you don't slouch, you sit. Yes, something like what Yukta is doing. Yeah. Right, this is called as air flaps. Now, back to sitting in Vajrasana. We will be doing our ear massages. We have ear brain gyms. Yes. Yeah. Let's start with ear brain gyms. I'll be doing the side view part. And yes, let's start with thinking cap. So 10 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pressing is enough. No need to pull. Some people pull, not needed. Just squeezing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is called a thinking caps. Up and down is one set. Total we do 5 sets. Now, grab onto our ears. We are going to do grab on. We grab it off rather than this thing. Then we do fingers up, ears up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then alternative. 10, 9, front and back. This is this. Then you do front and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then alternative. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then ear rotation. Again, we do it in ear brain gym mode. First full rotation front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then ear brain gyms, one will go clockwise. Yeah, you can see that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-clockwise. 10, 9. We are doing the one is coming in the front, one is coming in the back. But this completes all the ear exercise. Now you've seen we have completed most parts. Now we'll be getting into pranayams. After the ear exercises, I tell a story to help us become thought leaders. I tell a story which I don't complete the ending or never tell the moral. I encourage all the participants, whether online or physically present, ask them to give their views. All answers are answered. They are not right, they are not wrong. They are only a different perspective, a different opinion. All views are respected. We encourage people to participate rather than making them know this is correct, this is wrong. So this part is actually many people come to watch this particular part only where there's every day a new wonderful live story for lifestyles and life values. Sometimes we also have some fun during this particular time. Now, once the story is completed, we will be doing all our pranayams and all of that. So before that, we will be doing gratitude. Let's get started. So once the story is over, we sit in Vajrasana. I'll be doing the side view. She'll be doing the front view. Yes. Sitting in Vajrasana, we lock our arms. Yes. Sitting straight, up like that. Locking our arms. This is a way of what happens is the subconscious mind opens up and we can put it. So we'll begin with the gratitude part. So how we do gratitude is done is first we do gratitude to our beliefs based on whatever we learned in the story. Let us say in this story it was about consistency. So I'm going to do the Thank you so much for being consistent. Thank you so much every single day investing your time, energy and effort for the morning rituals. So we do that particular part. Then we start with the external part of the body. Every single day we choose an external part of the body. One day we thank our hands, we thank our legs, maybe we thank our eyes, we thank our ears, even hair. Expressing gratitude is amazing. After we do that particular part, then we go internal. Internal, we can thank just ourselves or even a drop or every single drop of blood or our heart or any internal organs, but we continue to keep sitting in this particular posture. So we thank that particular part, and then once we do that, then we'll be thanking our heart, which keeps pumping on and on and on, and then we thank our brain, our amazing brain, and our mind. Yukta hands can go up, sitting straight in a particular posture. Yes. We thank our mind. We thank our mind for the wonderful beliefs that we have, how sharp it is. This is a posture. Ensure that you keep this particular posture. After this, we thank these two lovely souls. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Mom. Thanking alone is not enough. What we do it is we also say the reason why we want to thank our mom, thank our dad. We can choose anyone or thank both our parents. After that, we thank our gurus, teachers, mentors, trainers, coaches for teaching us such wonderful values, life skills or whatever it is. We thank them. We visualize few of our teachers. Yukta, please visualize some of your teachers, some of your trainers, coaches. And then as you go on to then we thank our family members. I usually thank my family during this particular time for being there in my life. Thank our brothers, sisters, uncle, aunts, your grandparents, all your friends and relatives, everybody. Thank your classmates, your co-workers, your team members. Yes, thank all the people we know. Thank all the people we do not know. Thank the entire humanity. For example, people we do not know. For example, the person who comes and delivers the milk. Yes, we do not know that person, but thank them. Because of them we get. Also, farmers, we do not know them, but they work really hard to ensure that we get this wonderful food. Very nice. Yukta is continuously sitting in this posture. Sitting in this posture ensures that it goes, and she'll be repeating whatever as a facilitator, the facilitator says. Sometimes I do it, and sometimes even Yukta does. She does the lead of this thing. Continue to sit straight. We thank the entire humanity. The entire humanity is responsible for taking the human race ahead. And then we thank the Mother Nature. In Mother Nature, we sometimes pick up birds, we pick up fishes, we pick up animals, or we just pick up trees, plants. We thank Mother Nature. And then we thank God, Almighty, Supreme Soul, Supreme Intelligence. We thank. But this is the posture where we do the entire gratitude. And then we thank God Almighty for giving us this wonderful. Yukta, if you can sit straight, head little higher, much more better. Lovely. Yes. So we thank our God, the Almighty, Supreme Soul, Supreme Intelligence for giving us this wonderful soul with a purpose, soul with a why. So now the gratitude is completed. Now we do a visualization, and this is taken from pranic healing, also from Reiki. A beam of white light travels from the universe, enters top of our head as it travels down to our head. Travels down to our neck, our chest, our back, as it travels down to our pelvic, thighs and calf muscles. Visualize a beam of white light is traveling. This white light from the universe recharges us, revitalizes us, rejuvenates us, re-energizes us, removes all the negativity and toxins. Also, this will give us the power for the next 24 hours till the next morning rituals to help us, guide us, motivate us towards our goals and the purposes which we are going to do that. So visualize a beam of white light travels through your face. This white light is purifying you, energizing you. Yes. Once you do that, we have continued with the gratitude. We have done the visualization. Now we are in the right state of mind to visualize our goals. This is a 1 minute of complete silence of visualizing your goals and your purpose. Continue to keep straight and ensure that you're holding tightly. Visualize your goals, your purpose. This is a very important time where we must visualize our goals in present tense. Yes, in present tense, as if we have already achieved it. The mind will not be able to see anything in future or in the past. Mind is all about creativity. You can believe it, you can achieve it. Yes, visualize your goals in present tense as if you have already achieved it. Visualize your goals clearly when you've achieved it and how you're celebrating it. Visualize your long-term goals, your short-term goals, your mid-term goals, your daily goals. One minute of complete silence of visualizing your goals. Every day visualizing your goals keeps you on track. Doesn't allow you to get distracted. Yukta is doing really well here. Visualizing your goals. She has wonderful, very big goals, and she's working towards her. Goals add purpose to our life. It fuels us and it brings out the maximum potential of our life. As you can see, the morning ritual is a complete, comprehensive. Yes. Now that she has done her goals, slowly let go of her hands. Now hands on your heart. Now we do declaration. Declarations will fuel us to go through this entire day. It's positive affirmations. Yes, I'm energetic.
I'm energetic.
If you see that she has kept her other hand in Gyan Mudra. As you have seen, she has kept the other hand in Gyan Mudra. That's wonderful. I am energetic.
I'm energetic.
You have to say that with energy. Feel it. I'm energetic.
I'm energetic.
I'm powerful.
I'm powerful.
I'm disciplined.
I'm disciplined.
I'm focused.
I'm focused.
I'm wonderful.
I'm wonderful.
I'm healthy.
I'm healthy.
I'm wealthy.
I'm wealthy.
I'm intelligent.
Intelligent.
I'm genius.
I'm genius.
I'm kind.
I'm kind.
I'm full of gratitude.
I'm full of gratitude.
I'm grateful to anyone and
I'm
everyone.
grateful to anyone and everyone.
I'm grateful to anybody and everybody.
I'm grateful to anybody and everybody.
I'm grateful to anything and everything.
I'm grateful to anything and everything.
I am blessed.
I am blessed.
I am truly blessed.
I am truly blessed.
I'm powerful.
I'm powerful.
I'm lovable.
I'm lovable.
I'm capable.
I'm capable.
I'm valuable.
I'm valuable.
I am a superb human.
I am a superhuman.
This is an affirmation which might change on a daily basis based on what we are doing, based on that particular story also. We add few things. Yes. Then we need to do a raindrop clap. We are about to open our eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, but this is inspired from NLP. Swish. Rub our palms on our eyes. Usually people keep like this, but what Yukta is doing correct. Yes, the heat that is generated heals our eyes. Visualize that this is healing your eyes. The last one will be the most vigorous one. Beautiful. So this is healing our eyes and ensuring that we get our complete vision, and then we open our eyes. This is the end of morning rituals. Thank you so much for your participation. Join us every single day. What we do every day makes us. Habits make us or break us. Yes. Make success habits. You are a champion, Yukta, giving great participation. Thank you.